Alright class, today we're diving into a fascinating phenomenon in psychology, the placebo effect. Now, most people associate placebos with sugar pills in drug trials, and that's certainly a part of it. But the placebo effect is much broader, encompassing the powerful influence of expectation and belief on our physical and mental well-being. First, let's address the common misconception. A placebo isn't just about inert substances, it's about the entire ritual of treatment. The doctor's white coat, the sterile environment, the act of taking a pill, these all contribute to a patient's expectation of improvement. And surprisingly, these expectations can trigger real, measurable physiological changes, like the release of endorphins, which act as natural painkillers. This is why a sugar pill can sometimes alleviate pain as effectively as a mild analgesic. Now, the placebo effect isn't just limited to physical ailments. Studies have shown its impact on conditions like depression and anxiety as well. The belief that one is receiving effective treatment can lead to positive changes in brain chemistry and behavior. Think about it, if you genuinely believe a therapy will help, you're more likely to actively engage in the process, fostering a positive feedback loop that contributes to improvement. This brings us to my next point, the role of conditioning. Our past experiences with medical treatments, even seemingly unrelated ones, can influence the strength of the placebo response. If you've had positive experiences with doctors and medication in the past, you're more likely to experience a stronger placebo effect in the future. Interestingly, this conditioning can even extend to the color of a pill. Studies suggest that people associate blue pills with calming effects and red pills with stimulating ones, potentially influencing the subjective experience of the medication. Briefly, let me mention a related idea here. The nocebo effect, which is essentially the opposite, where negative expectations can lead to the worsening of symptoms, but that's a topic for another day. So, to wrap things up, the placebo effect isn't some magical cure-all. It highlights the complex interplay between mind and body and reminds us of the power of belief and expectation in shaping our health outcomes. It's a testament to the remarkable capacity of our brains to influence our physical and mental states.